a high-performance, ultra-compact gasket fitting. The UPG is Fujikin's original and highly evaluated tube fitting. The UPG is an ultimate ultra-compact fitting that has reduced a footprint 70% of the UJR fitting. Substantial improvement of seal performance and reduction of dead space inside the fitting. The UPG has a built-in pure ring inside the nut to ensure high seal performance by co-rotation prevention at the time of assembling the fitting. The rounded part of each the body and the sleeve and the contact surface with the gasket inside from the rounded parts are elaborate and super finished. Despite being of a metal type, high gas tightness can be maintained. A flat plate gasket is adopted and its surfaces are super finished. Turning the nut clockwise advances the sleeve. The pure ring built in the nut absorbs the turning force, transmitting only the thrust force to the sleeve. This will allow the body and the sleeve edge part to contact to plastically deform the gasket for perfect sealing. Step 1. At the initial stage of fastening the nut, the gasket is deformed for sealing at the rounded parts. Step 2. Then the gasket is further deformed for sealing at its contact surfaces inside from the rounded parts. Step 3. Tightening the nut further allows the outer periphery of each rounded part to closely contact the gasket surface. Step 4. When the tightening process is finished, the body and the sleeve come into contact with the retainer at the guard for the prevention of excessive tightening. The design pressure and the operating temperature range of the UPG fitting are as follows. The materials of the UPG are as follows. This figure shows the temperature and pressure ratings. Please take care when using the UPG under a high temperature and high pressure situation. Assembly procedures. Make sure that all parts for a UPG fitting are complete and available for ready use. Put a gasket between the tube-welded sleeve and the body. And turn the union nut until finger tight. Put a match mark on each the body and the union nut. This marking will be used as a 0-point position indicator. From this 0-point position, turn the union nut clockwise by 1/4 with a spanner to tighten the fitting. This completes the assembly procedures. Precautionary notes for assembling a UPG fitting. Take care not to damage the body seal surface, the sleeve tip, and the gasket surface. Any such damage will adversely affect seal performance. When a fitting or a part was dropped by mistake, do not use it as it is, but check for damage or attached foreign matter before use. Check particularly the body seal surface, the sleeve tip, and the gasket surface. When tightening the UPG fitting, be sure to securely fix the body using a wrench or a similar means to prevent it from turning, and turn the union nut for tightening. Do not turn the body with the union nut being fixed. Turning the body may damage the seal surface by galling, causing leaks. When using a UPG fitting, avoid places likely to be exposed to rainwater splashed from outdoor piping, for example. Therefore, take appropriate measures to prevent UPG fittings from being splashed with rainwater. Reassembly procedures. To reassemble the fitting, perform the same procedures as done for assembly. At that time, be sure to replace the gasket with a new one.